Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur and Delhi. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to convert your unlisted public company into the LLP. अगर आपको unlisted public company को LLP में convert करना है, what is the process, what is the regulatory framework for conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP, right? And what is the process and what are the legal compliance which is required to be done in the process of conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. तो सबसे पहले ये समझना जरूरी है व्हाट इज द पर्पस फॉर कन्वर्जन ऑफ अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी। ये डिफर कर सकता है पर्सन टू पर्सन। हो सकता है कि जो कंपनी की जो वर्किंग है अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी के अंदर वो इतनी नहीं रही हो, जिसकी वजह से क्या है पब्लिक कंपनी के जो कंप्लायंसेस हैं वो ज्यादा कॉस्टली हो रहे हो, और इसके अलावा एनी अदर कोई भी अदर रीजन हो सकता है जिसकी वजह से क्या है कोई भी पर्सन अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी से एलएलपी में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है। ठीक है, इसके बाद व्हाट इज द रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क वी विल कवर दिस। फर्स्ट इज द सेक्शन 57 ऑफ एलएलपी एक्ट 2008। इट कवर्स अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी को जो है एक प्रोवाइड कराता है कि वो अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी है कन्वर्टेड इनटू द एलएलपी इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द प्रोविजंस ऑफ चैप्टर 10 एंड 4 शेड्यूल ऑफ एलएलपी एक्ट 2008। देयरआफ्टर रूल 40 of LLP rules 2009, जो application for the conversion shall be made in the form 18 for the conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. The registrar जो है after filing the application for conversion by the applicant shall issue a certificate of registration, and the LLP shall inform the concerned registrar of companies about the conversion in form 14. And the next regulatory requirement is the fourth schedule of LLP Act 2008. Now we will discuss what is the eligibility criteria of conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP, right? There are certain eligibility criteria which is given here under. If the said unlisted public company complies the said eligibility criteria, thereafter the said unlisted public company can go for the or move for the conversion into the LLP. इस फर्स्ट जो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, देयर इज ए नो सिक्योरिटी इंटरेस्ट इन इट्स असेट्स सब्सिस्टिंग और इन फोर्स एट द टाइम ऑफ एप्लीकेशन, यानी कोई भी चार्ज क्रिएट नहीं होना चाहिए एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन ऑन द असेट्स ऑफ द unlisted public company. All the shareholders of the company shall become the partners of LLP. Thereafter, there are certain advantages of the conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. First is the lower legal compliance cost. You know very well the legal compliance cost in the unlisted public company is very high because most of the provisions of the Companies Act are applicable on the unlisted public company except few provisions. The second is audit is not mandatory for LLP. If the turnover of the LLP under the threshold limit prescribed by the LLP Act, in the said case the audit is not mandatory. There is no restriction on the related party transaction. You can enter into the related party transaction. There is no restriction on distribution of profit and provision of dividend distribution tax are not applicable on LLP. इसके अलावा जो नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट है देयर आर द प्रोविजन ऑफ मिनिमम अल्टरनेटिव टैक्स आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल ऑन द LLP. Thereafter next is the what is the precondition for the conversion of a unlisted public company into the LLP. First is the कोई भी चार्ज ओपन नहीं होना चाहिए एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फॉर द कन्वर्जन. Second thing is the all the shareholders of company shall the partners of LLP by virtue of conversion of a unlisted public company into the LLP. The third is the consent of the shareholders of unlisted public company is required for the conversion. All due returns of ROC must be filed on or before the conversion. NOC from regulatory authority if necessary have been obtained for conversion. Next thing is the intimation about conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. The LLP shall within 15 days of conversion inform the concerned regional registrar of companies about the conversion. Right. Thereafter, notice of conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP किस किस को आपको इंटीमेट करना जरूरी है फॉर द प्रोसेस फॉर द व्हेन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन इज स्टार्ट. Every official correspondence of LLP for a period of 12 months bear the following. ये एक स्टेटमेंट देना होगा, स्टेटमेंट दैट वाज कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम कंपनी इनटू LLP and the name and registration number of the company from which it is converted, right? Thereafter, what is the effect of registration or conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP? There are certain effects after the conversion of the unlisted public company into the LLP. First is there shall be an LLP by name specified in the certificate of registration under this act. There are certain uh, consequences after the conversion which is given here in below, right? Thereafter, main thing is what is the practical process for conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. In step 1, the company will issue the notice to the directors for the conduct of board meeting as per section 173 subsection 3. Thereafter, the board of directors hold the meeting and pass the resolution for conversion of company subject to the approval of members and RD, and pass board resolution for authorizing director, company secretary for filing form for conversion of company into an LLP. Thereafter, apply for DSC, and in step 4, apply for the name reservation. After the reservation of the name, file the form Philip with the CRC, in which contain the name of LLP, full address of registered office, main object of LLP, name of office of registrar in which proposed LLP to be registered or converted based on business activities, main division of industrial activity of LLP. Thereafter, in sixth point, the total number of designated partners and partners is required to be mentioned. In 7 point, the details of designated partners and their father names, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, all the required information is required to be mandatorily filled in the application. All this information is required to be mentioned. Attachment: the following information is required to be attached. First is the subscriber sheet, consent of designated partners to act as a designated partner, interest of designated partner, right? ID proof of all designated partners, address proof of all designated partners, PAN card, utility bill, right? In step 6, filing of form 18, right? After that, the company is required to file the application for conversion of from unlisted public company to LLP. The first document is a statement of assets and liabilities of company duly certified by CA in practice. And the second is a list of certificate along with the consent of conversion, consent of all shareholders for conversion, approval from any other body, authority, statement of partners, copy of acknowledgement, copy of MOA, AOA, certified true copy of board resolution, and a certificate from chartered accountant, right? Thereafter, in step 7 is approval for resubmission or refusal by the registrar. The registrar, after satisfying that all the contents of the application are correct and the documents rest in the application are correct in all view, right? The registrar will issue the certificate bearing the name of the LLP, and the company is required to intimate the said conversion to the ROC, right, within 15 days from the conversion, right? And in which attach the certificate of the registration issued by the department, right? Thereafter, drafting and execution of LLP agreement, and thereafter the LLP will file the form 3 with the department. So this is the complete video regarding the conversion of unlisted public company into the LLP. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Still, if you have any doubt regarding to that, you can also connect on the number given on the screen. Thank you.